there be nobody here. Nobody here.
It's like 75 degrees outside.
Not bad?
Well, I mean, it's
Can you
bad.
touch your hand to it?
It's bad, but it's not undoable.
Dude, that's actually not, yeah, that's not as bad. Man, Cars and Coffee is dead. Dead as hell today, guys. This is crazy. And stuff that we could just kind of chill at. But this is where you can turn, and like, it's like a dead end right here, so.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, well, I guess we'll see.
Hell yeah.
You get up to...
Oh my god. Alright, yeah, I was about to say. Holy shit, bro. That shit sounds so fucking cool. Yeah, I think that road's gonna work, bro. I think that road's gonna work.
I guess looking first.
I don't know, man. Oh my god. I was about to say these train tracks. Bro, that was sick.
These radials hook. I mean,
hell
it's
yeah.
It's at 150. It starts pulling timing at 130, so it's definitely not at full power, but...
Dude, she was hooking balls, man.
Already been, but I'm back for more.
Oh, man. Dang, dude, he wasn't lying. There really are a shitload of people here. Nuh-uh, bro. What?
I'll find them.
Dude, there's gotta be a spot.
I don't think there is.
Dude, yeah, there is. There's one right there. Yeah, tons of people. Tons of people. We're like parked in a Miata squad. Ooh, she looking good. Oh, what up, bro? Oh, damn. What's up, man? He is walking up. Yeah.
For all this hard work, I got my TX2K post.
He followed you? Oh, he reposted you?
Yeah.
Damn, Peter done reposted Chance on the Instagram. Everybody go follow him, Speed First Media. Chance parked in the wrong spot. He could have parked right there next to Corbin. You need him to come down here. Yeah, Mike got freaking honey potted today by a freaking Callaway car. This is a sight right here. Hell yeah. Oh wait, we gotta get the hood up. Gotta get the hood up for everybody. Isn't that cute? Two little 5.0s sitting next to each other. This right here is how you do a freaking car meet. You gotta bring the foldable chair out, set it behind your car, and chill. This thing sounded insane rolling up. Like, it sounded badass. Freaking pretty big turbo. Freaking sleeper. Peace out, man. I'll see you next weekend, I guess. So I think the car meet has peaked and everybody's about to leave. There's a lot of people rolling out. But it was definitely chill. Definitely chill. People getting rowdy. Hey, y'all be safe now. All right. Peace out, car meet. Don't hit anybody. Dude, man said don't hit anybody. Leaving the meet, and it was really fun. Like a lot of people came and stuff. I wasn't expecting that. But thanks for watching. Peace out, and I'll see y'all next video.